Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2016 RAV4. You will need a 10mm socket or wrench to take off the battery post itself. Step 1, take off the battery bracket. Step 2 is you want to disconnect the negative post from the battery itself. Step 3, proceed to the positive terminal. Now once you get that done, you'll be able to lift the battery out of the car. Today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery. Next step, you want to connect your positive terminal. And your next step is that you want to connect your negative terminal back to the battery post itself as well. Use your 10mm socket or wrench. All right, your next step, what you want to do is you want to get your bracket back onto your battery itself. Loosen up the bolts to the very top, and then we're lifting up those J-hooks to slide underneath the battery box itself. Okay, so once you get those hooks back underneath the battery box itself, just use your 10mm socket and tighten up those bolts. And this is how you install a battery in a 2016 Toyota RAV4.